Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you looking for a really nice filter for your house to make sure your water is nice and safe for your family? This is a great first step. This is by Waterdrop and it is a spin down sediment filter. This thing is super easy to install and very universal. The screw in pieces on either side work with a 3/4 inch pipe or a 1-inch pipe. So whichever one you have at your house, this will work very nicely. What I love about this is you don't have to continue to pay for filters. So there is a filter on the inside that you can get to and you can clean that. But also because this collects larger sediment, it also has this little knob at the bottom that you can twist and water will spray out and clear all that sediment that's at the bottom of the filter. This filters out anything that's larger than 50 micron, which I didn't know what that was. A human hair is 70 micron. So this will clear anything that's visible to the eye, but still super, super tiny and will really help. This is some stuff I recently collected from the inside of my espresso machine, the buildup. And so I am super excited to have this filtration system. So hopefully there's not all that nasty stuff in our water. Installation was easy because I just used shark bites or another quick connect system would work really well. I cut the pipes, flipped everything in place, screwed it in, and voila, 5 minutes later, I had a water filtration system. This is so economical because this is a great price point and it will help extend the life of the filtration system you put second to this one, where it collects things that you can't see with the human eye. So I highly recommend this if you are looking for a really quick way to filter your water, extend the life of your pipes and your appliances.
And that's my point of view.